So your recipe calls for condensed milk and you don't have it anywhere. Well, I'm going to walk you through the process of making your own homemade instant condensed milk in 5 minutes. Hi adventurous bakers, I am Susan and I am the host of Susie's Cakes Recipes. So let's get started. So this is an overview of everything I'll be using to make my instant homemade sweetened condensed milk, from my granulated white sugar to my softened unsalted butter. Please do not use margarine for this recipe. Then my powdered milk, and then finally my flask of boiling hot water. The water must be boiling, and then the only equipment I'm going to be using is going to be my hand wicks. It's that simple. So all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support, and to all new subscribers, please hit the subscribe button to be notified of all my simple homemade recipes every week. I'm just turning everything into my sugar bowl, my powdered milk, my softened unsalted butter, and my boiling hot water. Just turning them into my sugar bowl at once, and I'm going to be mixing this till my sugar is melted. It is that simple. Now you can use this particular recipe to make almost everything, from cake recipes, asking or requesting for sweetened condensed milk to cookies, to anything. Even the leche recipe that I shared last week or sometimes back, you can use this for that too. But do not use it for your homemade stabilized ice cream. Don't use it for your homemade stabilized ice cream. I have an online detailed class on how to make condensed milk that is perfect for homemade stabilized ice cream. So I'm just going to pour my hot water in and I'm going to whisk well. Please remember to check the description box beneath this video for a detailed step-by-step written recipe. For all new subscribers, please also remember to hit the notification bell to be notified of all my recipes I share once every week. Can you substitute sugar in this recipe for any other sweetener? No, but if I'm making the traditional sweetened condensed milk, you can substitute it with honey, with marble, with any other sweetener of your choice. But for this instant homemade sweetened condensed milk, just stick to the recipe. Please remember to check the description box beneath this video for a link to a more detailed recipe and for some tips on how to make use of this recipe. And this is ready. See how simple it is. Like I told you, it's just under 5 minutes. But please remember not to use it for your homemade ice cream. Apart from that, it's good for any other recipe. Thank you so much for your support, and this is just a quick recipe from me to you. See you next week. Bye bye.